Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of How Logical, and in this video I'm going to show you how to get Airbnb guest favorite badge. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, let me show the Airbnb guest favorite badge to you. Whenever you open your profile or profile of the any host, if you have guest favorite badge, it will be shown like this into your profile at top. As you can see here, it was written that guest favorite. Now, in order to get this badge, you have to fulfill certain criteria into your page or your hosting. Now, the first one is to get the excellent reviews and ratings from the customers. Now, first criteria is to get this badge is you have to get more than 4.9 star rating into your listings on average, and you need to have at least 5 reviews from your guest. As you can see here, this profile has 4.93 stars rating and 75 reviews from the guest, and that's why this profile has guest favorite badge. Now, if you also want the guest favorite badge, you'll need to have 4.9 star ratings and more than 5 written reviews from the guest. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.